everyone. I have a question for you. How can you visualize a fraction? Well, first off, what really is a fraction? A fraction is used to represent smaller parts of a whole. Think of a pizza. The entire pizza would be considered a whole, and the slices of pizza would be considered parts or portions of whole. Well, what does a fraction look like? A fraction has two parts, the integer on top and the integer on bottom. The bottom is called the denominator. This tells you how many equal parts or pieces of the whole have been broken into. For example, if the denominator is 5, that means the whole is broken up into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The numerator on top tells you how many pieces or parts you have. If the numerator is 1, that means you have 1 piece. In the area model below, we can see how 1/5 is part of a whole. For a fun fact, the line that separates a numerator and denominator is called vinculum. Now let's look at a fraction manipulative. This is called the length model. It can be used similar to a number line. Imagine one end of the length is 0, stretching across is the number line, and the other end is 1. As an example of using the length model, we can model different ways on how different fractions can equal 1/2 using the length model. We can see the whole number, and we can use 1/2. And we can use smaller fractions like 4/8 and 6/12 and show how they still equal 1/2 of a whole or 1/2. There are other models like area models, geoboards, set models of fraction, and counterfractions. The length model is just one of many ways to help model fractions. But don't forget to pair these models with activities to help students use and better understand fractions.